area. We had a ton of volunteers helping out.
Yeah.
You know, so one of the things, watch for the alligator.
Yeah.
One of the things I've been thinking about, and kind of dovetails in the conversations we've had using the Utah beach, is maybe for flooding. We've got more flooding going on than anything else.
That is a very good point. And they're skillful, trained people.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. Good.
Hello, hello. How are you?
You know, the one thing that I
It's a form of natural disaster.
well, it is, and one of the problems that I noticed here, I'm a first responder, but a lot of the residents don't understand the operation of pumps and generators. So you expect them to try and help themselves. The bags are one thing, but then getting that help would be tremendously helpful. And having a team that could respond like Task Force 3 would have been a big help. I mean, the military certainly was a real shot. Absolutely. It was unbelievable. I mean, what these young men and women did was, especially after the day we had on Saturday with the 45-kilometer winds, really gave us an upper hand on it.
Ooh. So how big were those waves?
They were crashing over these walls. They were actually hitting the windows up top here. So 7 times during the day they would take our walls away. We would rush in, put our pumps in, rebuild the wall, and then wait for the next one to go. And,
7 times.
7 times. And as you saw, we're not the worst off here. So some folks here had to do that in the wall.
So this is this the highest point of land for this?
The last house might be the highest point, and this might be
The second.
there, the second and third. So we're getting good at not only building the walls, but directing the water in an area where we can pump it out. But those are the kinds of expertise I think that